We're nearing the end of 2025, and here's another way to stop Microsoft from spying on you. Now, it's no secret that Copilot is using some of your other apps to be able to train itself, but how do you stop Copilot from sneaking through your files, reading your emails, and just simply looking through your computer and finding stuff in there to try and make itself bigger and better? Well, first of all, you need to open Copilot on your system. So as you can see, I've got the Copilot icon in the taskbar of my computer. If you can't see it down there, then click on the Start button and then just type in the search box Copilot. And as you're typing it, it'll come up under Best Match. There you go, Copilot. Move your mouse over that, left click once, Copilot will then load. And then what you want to do is, if you've got no sidebar here, you want to click on this little icon just up there, Open Sidebar. Then go down to the Head and Shoulders down there, Account, left click once, and then click on Settings. Click on Privacy, and here at the top you've got Diagnostic Data Sharing, share diagnostics data to improve Microsoft products. Well, this isn't going to share any personal information, but I would say turn it off all the same. You've got here model training on text. So whatever text you enter in there, it's going to take that text and it's going to help train itself. Model training on voice. So allow conversations with Copilot to help train and improve AI. So again, I'd say turn that off. Personalization and memory from conversations, Bing and MSN activity, and any inferred interests will be used to personalize your experience. Well, again, this is here to help you, but if you'd rather not share that information with Microsoft and you want it to stop having a memory, then again, you can turn that off too. So I would suggest turning all of these off. Then click on Manage Shared Conversations. This is a list of conversations you may have shared with other people. So again, you can click on the bins next to each one of those and delete those. And here, if you want Copilot to delete its memory, then you can click on the red delete memory. You can then click on the back button up there in the top left-hand corner of the screen, and then we can click on Manage Memory. Now here, you can tell Copilot what it wants to remember about you and what you don't want it to remember. Also, it gives it an idea about what type of things you like and what type of things you don't. But like me, if you don't want to put anything in there, then you can just come back out of that by clicking on the arrow in the top left-hand corner. Now here, I also prefer not to have Copilot starting with the computer, so I've turned that off. And also, I make sure I turn off under the permission settings file search, because I don't want to allow Copilot access to local files to be able to retrieve files for us. Change files which can be seen within the Windows settings, so turn that off. And more importantly down there, file read, so I've turned that off as well, because I don't want to allow Copilot to read the files on your PC to help answer questions. And also, I don't want to allow redirects from other apps, so the only options we've got here is ask every time or always allow, so I'm going to say ask every time. And if you don't want your recent files to be shown on the home screen, then again, turn that off. Going down further, then if you don't want Copilot to be listening for Hey Copilot to start a conversation, then again, turn that switch off there. And you can also turn off highlights and recommendations as well. Then scroll back up to the top of the screen and click on Connectors. And here you want to make sure that Copilot isn't reading your files from OneDrive by turning this off, and you don't want them reading your emails as well, so make sure you turn that off. And if you're connected to Google Drive, Gmail or Calendar, then I would say make sure you disconnect these two. And if you know that you're never going to use Copilot ever again, then you can always click on Delete Account there, and that will then delete your Copilot account after you've clicked on the second Delete Account. Now, as far as I know, this only deletes your Copilot account. It doesn't delete your Microsoft account. It will clear your past conversations with Copilot too. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these 3 things help us make more great videos for you.